Nestled on 3 acres, surrounded by large, mature hardwood trees, this Michigan cabin offers a peaceful setting with plenty of room to create something truly your own. Combining privacy, natural surroundings, and generous outdoor space, it's an ideal property for buyers looking to take on a rewarding renovation project in a quiet country setting. Inside, the cabin features 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, with a spacious layout that's ready for updating. The existing floor plan provides flexibility to redesign the living spaces while maintaining a comfortable flow throughout the home. A walkout basement expands the possibilities even further, creating additional space that can be adapted to fit your needs. Step outside onto the wraparound deck and enjoy the peaceful views of the surrounding hardwood trees. Whether you're relaxing with your morning coffee or unwinding at the end of the day, the wooded landscape provides a quiet backdrop that makes this property feel like a true escape from the everyday. Adding to the property's appeal is a large pole barn with an attached storage addition, offering excellent space for vehicles, equipment, tools, or a workshop. Combined with the surrounding acreage, it provides the flexibility needed for hobbies, outdoor projects, or additional storage, while complementing the cabin's country setting. This Michigan cabin does require repairs and improvements, but it also presents an exciting opportunity to restore a property with plenty of potential. With 3 acres, a walkout basement, wraparound deck, mature hardwood trees, and a versatile pole barn, this is a chance to create a country retreat that reflects your own vision and style.